Hey guys, this is Shane here from Echo Soundworks. In this video, I'm going to show you a really cool tip and trick. I'm going to show you how you can reverse a melody and have it play back as you actually intended the melody to be. So for instance, let's say I want to take this key sound, which is coming from our pack Vivid, and the patch is called Keys Beautiful. And I have this melody, and I want this melody to sound like it's reversed, but I want it to play back exactly how I played it. Here's how you're going to do it. You're going to first reverse the MIDI before you reverse the audio. And you can do this in any DAW. It's actually a lot easier to do in Ableton. In Ableton, all you do is go to the end of your MIDI region or your clip, find the little locator mark, and then drag it back on itself, and then freeze and turn it into audio, and then hit reverse. In Logic, what you're going to do is you're going to go to Functions, hit MIDI Transform. You're going to select Reverse Position. Now from here, you have to make sure that the position in this little box is the position where your audio is. So this is your actual region locator. So mine's going from bars 3 to 11. So we're just going to type that in real quick, then hit select. It'll find the notes, 32 events found in one MIDI region, hit select and operate. And now we have that MIDI playing backwards. Then bounce that to audio. So bounce it in place. And then you just simply hit reverse on the audio region. And you have that cool reverse sound, but playing the melody you actually wrote. From there's a lot of cool things you can do. You can layer the sounds together. You can use this as like a transition or intro style sound. I usually like layering them together. All right, so that's going to sum up this video. If you guys have any questions or comments, you can post those below and we'll get back to you as soon as we can. If you guys aren't subscribed to our channel, you know the drill. Hit that subscribe button. The support really does mean a lot to us. And if you guys haven't ever checked out our website, echosoundworks.com, definitely head on over there. There's a ton of free content, samples, loops, and presets. And of course, there's some premium sound sets and sample packs as well. And lastly, if you guys use Instagram, consider giving us a follow. We run a lot of contests, giveaways, and promotions on that platform. And I think you guys will like what we're doing over there. All right, thank you for watching. I'll see you next time.